Hey, it's Matthias now out of the Grono office, and today I'd like to show you real quick how to use the backup opportunities and restore opportunities inside of the AMS Asset Monitor. So for doing a backup of all the configuration relevant parameters that are stored inside of the Asset Monitor and use that either for backup purposes only to drive it and have it available in case of any needs for bringing it back to the Asset Monitor where it has been stored from, or alternatively using that at various other Asset Monitor boxes that have identical design and hardware structure, which means every single charm is plugged to the same slot and is used for the same type of asset. You can use it as a backup file or a data file to store this file to other boxes or the same box from backup perspective. Now, for driving a data file, the backup file out of the asset monitor, just move to the system section over here, and you see that we have two buttons called backup and restore. So for providing or storing a backup file, just press the backup button and you will see that a zip file is stored to your browser. So you see that over here on the lower left corner of my browser, my Chrome browser here, and if moving into the folder structure where it has been stored, you see that I now have this asset monitor backup with a date description over here, which is an AMB file. So no need to manage this file anywhere separately, but it's just a data file that can be used for backing it up. And finally, after having this file available, you can easily go to the restore section, to the restore button, press that, browse to the file finally um, from your PC. So I now just need to go to my downloads folder, and you see that the file appears automatically from here. I'm choosing that, opening it, and pressing the restore now button for storing it back into my asset monitor, and you see that the restore has been successful, which I just confirmed with OK. So this is how simple you can use the backup opportunities inside of the asset monitor and restoring this backup file as well where required.